Hey, it's Wildcat Steve again. Welcome to the Wildcat T233RBX brand new floor plan. Okay, inside the 233RBX is a wide open space. This is amazing. Come in the back door, nice big pantry, hanging closet, plenty of drawers. What's really cool, you've got about 8 feet of countertop space, all solid surface residential countertops. Something we always highlight, the CTS, central trash system, that empties right outside. Again, with a big 21-inch oven, cast iron cooktop, nice big deep dish single bowl stainless steel sink, real metal faucets, storage galore. Look at the size of the drawers, all plywood, real ball bearing drawer glides. You got 3 of those, plenty of room for pots and pans. Nice big walk-in bathroom, porcelain toilet, fantastic fan, walk-in shower, medicine cabinet, big sink. It's loaded. It's got everything. Full LED lights. And again, 7-foot tall ceilings that don't just give you a tall walkway in the middle. With Wildcat, we raise the ceiling height to 7 feet from wall to wall, which also gives you a 6-foot tall slide-out box. So not even hitting my head in a slide-out box. What that allows us to do is give you that big outside storage compartment as well as bigger windows on the inside because we love natural light. Also inside the Wildcat, again, the 10.7 cubic foot, nice big 12-volt fridge. This goes from room temperature to frozen in 45 minutes. You don't need to plug this in to the house the night before to cool it off so you can tow the next day without the food spoiling. With this, you can pick it up from the storage lot, go to the grocery store, load your groceries in, and just by being hooked up to the pickup, in 45 minutes, this is frozen. So really nice to be able to tow down the highway with. It's very efficient and even bigger because it's a lot deeper than the 8 cubic foot gas electrics. Big U-shaped dinette, storage drawers down below, also makes into a nice big bed. So if you do have guests, kids, grandkids that want to come along with you, you got the space. As with every Wildcat, 66 by 80 inch Maxx King bed gives you plenty of room on both sides of the bed to go ahead and make it without having to get up on your knees on the bed and try and tuck it around. We also have our new TV system. These TVs do a whole lot of functions. This is not only a television, but it's also an FM tuner. It's HDMI, it's Bluetooth, it does everything. So you can be sitting inside, laying in bed, sitting in a dinette, watching a movie, and someone else can be outside listening through the same device to the outside speakers, either to the FM radio or maybe your Pandora, maybe even your iTunes. So really a cool functional television. Windows in the bedroom, overhead cabinets, shirt closets, nightstands with 12-volt USB plugs as well as 110 plugs, and all Wildcats come with an automotive windshield and full fiberglass front cap. And again, we talked about 7-foot tall ceilings in all the Wildcats, which allow us to have this massive outside storage compartment, big enough for a full-size generator, motorhome bus style 1-inch insulated slant latch baggage doors, electric awning, JT strong arms, amazing JT strong arms. Once you lock these in place, your Wildcat won't move, and they will stay in that position locked. You don't have to go back and readjust them like you would on an electric stabilizer jack. Plus, these are a true stabilizer, not just a leveling system. We also put an outside cooktop on the Wildcats. The griddle will allow you to make some bacon, cook some eggs, maybe even put some salmon on there. How about a nice hot steak? So that comes on the Wildcat. E-range 15-inch tires, outside speakers, outside cable TV hookup. So if you want to bring that dual channel cable TV outside, now you can plug it in and watch TV on the outside as well. As with every Wildcat, the CTS, central trash system, empties right outside. 30-inch entrance doors, solid entry steps, friction hinge doors. Thanks for walking with me on the Wildcat T233RBX. You can check it out at your local dealership or at forestriverinc.com.